Hi everyone, it's David France. I'm doing a video today just showing you how to get staff members for your business to operate it while you're sleeping and to get people moving your business along. So use this website called Upwork.com, fantastic resource, and you can get staff members from the Philippines, India for about £2.60 an hour. Now to get people in the UK to do this type of task, you'll be paying about $10 an hour for the same type of person with the same skill sets. And the people in the Philippines or India have got really strong work ethics as well, and they are really good. And the fact the time difference as well means when we're sleeping, they're working, so we can give them tasks during the day and they complete them while we're sleeping. So your business, in essence, is operating 24 hours a day. Fantastic resource. And the best part about hiring staff from this resource or operating staff or managing them from abroad means there's no workplace pensions to worry about, no holidays, no sick pay, nothing to pay like that. Obviously, we pay them bonuses on their work they do for us. And the best part is about this website called Upwork, I'm just showing you here, is once you sign up for an account, it actually takes screenshots every few seconds of the work they're doing. So you know that because they're not sat by you, you can't manage what they're doing or you can't check what they're doing. But with this site, it makes it dead easy, and the software that's linked in with it allows you to check up on them and check the work to make sure they're doing the job properly. So let's go over to Upwork, and let's suppose you're looking for someone to do admin, which is and it pops up with data entry, personal assistant. So let's say we're looking for a personal assistant, and you need to select some kind of skill set. Maybe they need to be able to use Infusionsoft like we've got, so Infusionsoft administration, or you might be using mailing platforms like MailChimp, Constant Contact, something like that. You might need them to do property brochures for you, things like that. So click next, and then the project duration. We hire some of our freelancers and some of our staff members have been with us for over, one of them has been with us for just over 3 years now. Absolutely flawless work, absolutely fantastic. You do get the odd problem with some of these staff, with some of the virtual staff members. Like any staff member, you might have to go through one or two of them just to find a really good one potentially. But it all comes down to vetting them, going with your gut instinct and really vetting them best you can. So we'd find somebody, say 3 to 6 months. You wanted someone just on a trial, or even less than a month, just to check them out and see what they're like. And you might get them to do less than 30 hours a week. Okay, so it's asking us here as well, experience level. So if you go for low entry, entry level, which is the lowest rate, you will get people that aren't as qualified. I always go for intermediate, especially for admin, things like that. You want people who are quite switched on, and some of these freelancers have got degrees, certainly with the intermediate grade here. And obviously expert, you can be talking people like legal experts. You can actually hire solicitors on here as well. Not many people know that, so it's a really great resource. So we're going to go with an intermediate in this case, and then it will come up with a list of, you basically sign up for your account, and then it will come up with a list of freelancers that will be suitable for your task. And then you qualify them, you drop them a message. You might want to have a chat with them on Skype before you hire them. But it's a fantastic resource to hire staff and get them at very low costs. Okay, and that's what we do in our business. It enables you to scale your business quickly. You can hire fast. You can hire twice as many staff if needed. And remember, you're only paying about £2.60 an hour, which is around about $4 US. It's usually done in dollars. And it's a fantastic way to get staff and scale your business up. So you should be using Upwork to find these people, and you can train them up using Skype and do training videos. We do training videos with them using the software I'm using to film this actually, which is ScreenFlow, and we use that on the Mac. So you don't need staff members sitting next to you. It's the old-fashioned way of doing things. In this day and age, everything's remote. We're doing deals remotely. We do everything over the phone and the internet. So, we do the same with our business. So you're not location dependent. Okay, so if you're interested in potentially working with us within our partner program at Portfolio Millionaire, head over to portfoliomillionaire.com and click the links below, share, like this video, and just show your appreciation for it, really. And if you want us to do any videos on any particular topics, then do let us know. But yeah, we just we use this software and this particular site to hire staff. So go ahead and use it.